time pirates once kids on a club, and in the mouse we wanted to make a cute cheese cube, but it was not nice.
So let's make a very easy and a quick drawing of a cheese. A piece of wow, yummy cheese. So let's start drawing.
A triangle shape.
But I took a bite in that. I had took a bite in the cheese cube. So we'll have a cheese cube that has a bite. Right?
That I made in the mouse one. Yes, Papa?
Yeah. See, like this.
No, I'm not going to follow you. I'm going to follow mine.
Okay. Okay. Parikshit is not trying to follow me. Okay, let's see what he draws.
See. I'm drawing again.
I knew this would be happening.
Wait, I know how to draw this now. I understood.
So I took a bite in this cheese cube and we make some holes.
As well. Yes, see, Papa.
Yes.
What cheese cube I made. Now see.
Very good.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. I'm done. And I'll now want to make a small. What do we make?
A cartoon mouse. A cartoon mouse. Yes, Papa?
Yes, a small one.
A very small one.
A very small mouse. How is that small mouse looks?
Can I do it my way?
Yeah, you can do it your way. Let us make a small mouse with the cheese cube because mouses love cheese. Yeah. So let's make a quick one and a small one. Yes?
Papa, should I make a big one?
No.
Should I make a completely drawing?
No. Let's quickly do it.
Okay.
And the tail. The eyes. Finish the ears. The small hands holding the cheese. How will that hold the cheese? And the small cute legs. And how do they hold the cheese?
I am done.
Yo! So a mouse and a cheese cube. Did you love the drawing with Parikshit? Do you enjoy the drawings with Parikshit?
Papa,
If
let's
you-
color it.
No, we won't color it.
Ah!
Okay, let's color it quickly.
Give
What
me
color?
this. Let me see. Let me see.
Let's color
Give
it
me this.
quickly. What are you doing?
I'm trying to confuse you. Would think this is a nice one. Papa, let's see this how mine is it. Why are you doing it like this?
I want to finish it quickly.
I also want to finish it quickly.
Leave a little. Yeah. We are done.
What?
I'm done.
What happened?
I don't know what happened.
Wow.
I'm done with the drawing, kids.
I know.
Are you done, Parikshit?
Yes.
Yes. Keep the paper straight. Talk to them fast.
So friends, if you love the run, do like and subscribe my channel.
And do not forget to find your favorite books, step-by-step drawing books on kidsfunlandclub.com. And parents, do not forget to share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram. Yes, we will be waiting for your drawings, and if you have any suggestions to make on what drawing you want us to make next,
Yeah.
go to our website
No, tell us in the
www.kidsfunlandclub.com.
comments.
No, the comments is not there. So go to our website, you will find a suggestion box and you can give your suggestions there, right? So we will be waiting for your suggestions
Yeah.
on what drawing you want us to do next. Until then, have a good day. Bye-bye.